Okay guys, so welcome to the course. Thanks for joining. In this course, I'm really fast going to go over. It's going to be a short course, just straight to the point, no fluff. Just get you able to edit and produce, image, not just image, but video content, so that you can, continue about your life. This is not an in-depth study. I will have in-depth courses on, how to use paid image and video softwares in the future, and how you can edit and, getting in-depth with the editing process and how you can, do different things that are more advanced, along that curve. But this is more for the beginners, people that simply just need to know how to, get a video edited, get it, produced in the right, with the right specifications and everything, and get it uploaded. It's very, very simple. It's not going to be an in-depth course whatsoever. It's going to be a short, straight to the point course that just gives you, here's how to do it step by step. Here's what you need to put in. Here's how you need to edit it. Here's how you need to get it out so that you can upload it, for whatever it might be. Maybe you're doing YouTube videos. Maybe you're doing courses like this. Maybe, I don't know what you're doing. There's a million different things that you could be doing, where you need to know how to edit and produce a video. And this course is going to show you that. I'm going to give you some paid options, and obviously in other courses, I'm going to be going over in-depth studies, step by step, on how you can do advanced things with those paid options. So in the next one, I'll go over a couple of those paid options that you can, invest in an editing software that's, a little bit more advanced. I'm also, for the sake of this course, going to show you a free editing software that you can use, so you can edit your videos 100% for free. It doesn't cost you anything, and I'm going to impart that knowledge on how to do that in this course. Like I said, it's going to be very short, very straight to the point. Just give you the nuts and bolts. Here's how you do it. Here's what you need to do, and boom, you're done. It's that simple. So, you don't need to spend any money to do this. I'm going to show you the free options, but I also will go over the paid options in case you're interested, and check out my other more in-depth courses on this coming in the future. So if they're not already out, they will be out very, very soon. I'm currently, they're in my queue to record, and I'm going to go in depth for you so you can kind of, piggyback off this if you're new, and, continue your editing progress so you can learn the ins and outs and some more advanced stuff. But with that being said, guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an idea of what this course entails. It's going to be very, very short, so we'll get started. With that being said, let's just hop right in.